Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jojo and I create content around home decor, so be it doing DIY projects or showing you affordable places where you can get items for your spaces, and once in a while I do attend the auction. So if any of these topics interest you, kindly consider hitting the red subscribe button below. It's been a while since I did any DIY project, and in today's episode I'll be sharing with you some of the easiest DIY projects that you can do at home with minimal supplies. Before we dive in, I'd love to give a huge shout out to Skillshare for sponsoring today's video, and I'll be telling you more about them later on in the video. So without wasting more time, let's get into the projects. As I mentioned, these are very easy DIY projects that you require only 2 items, and for this I wanted an area where I can organize the items that I use while doing the dishes. So I'll be putting my soap here, a candle, and organize everything here. And for this I did take a plate, and I loved it because of the wavy edges and the golden rim. I don't know if you can tell, but this is the edge is golden. And the other thing is a candle stand, so I decided to go with a clear option. But if you love metallics and you're into silver, you can, or gold, you can get a gold or silver candle stand and a coaster. You can get a silver coaster or a tray or even a gold one and use it for this. For this, the only thing you need to do is take your glue gun and your glue stick and just join these two. I'm putting a lot of glue so as to make sure that this thing will be stable, and then just place it in the middle, and that is it. So simple, and you have your stand. So the next thing is I'll show you how I do style it. So I didn't want to spray paint the plate since I'll have a flower that is green and also a candle that is this shade of maroon. So I wanted everything to blend in together. So the next thing I'll show you is how I style. I love burning candles, and I thought I'd have a candle styled here and then a flower just for pop of color, and then of course my sponge and my dish washing liquid, and that is it. So the next project, I'll take 2 balls, 2 identical balls, and I'm going to glue them at the base like this, and this will be my flower vase. As I mentioned, we are doing very easy DIY projects. So I'll take my hot glue gun, then I'll take the other ball and place it on top. So for this DIY, I was inspired by Lone Fox. He did something similar, but he melted candle inside here. But I'll be using this as a flower vase. And there we have it. My flower vase all done. So on to our today's sponsor, Skillshare. So Skillshare is an online learning community with a variety of classes. So if there is that skill that you'd love to sharpen, or maybe there's a new skill that you want to learn, Skillshare offers a variety of classes, be it photography, be it graphic design. If you're into entrepreneurship, if you're into interior design like me, you'll get lots of classes there. I'm currently taking an interior design class by Rose Pickle. And what I love most about the class is you get to learn about the different facets of design and how you can use the different elements when you're designing your own space. So Skillshare have been generous enough, and the first 1,000 people to click on the link in my description box below get to enjoy a free trial of Skillshare Premium membership. Put water in a cooking pot, dip my clear glass and the candle inside. Make sure that I bring it to a boil until it melts and I can get the wicker. Then what I'll do is I'll get the wicker, remove it, and place it in this new glass that I want to put my candle in. So be careful because the wax is very hot, so make sure you're handling it with care so that you don't get burnt, and give it time to cool. So the next thing you're going to do is get a glass, a clear glass, and this crystal knob, and you're going to hot glue the knob on top of the glass right here. And this will be our DIY cloche. And this will be the base. This is where we're going to place our candle. And meanwhile, we're going to glue this ornament here. That's it guys for today's episode. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. Let me know which DIY did you love the most, or which one was the easiest for you. And remember to check out my description box and click on the link in the description box so that you get to enjoy a free trial of the Skillshare Premium membership. So I guess that is it for today's video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.